Hello my babies, welcome back to another video folks. In this video today we have the biggest Rawgear drop of all time, so I'm really excited. I'm going to be modeling all of the items for you. The drop is today at 12 p.m. PST. If you use code MamaSwole you can support me and save yourself some money. Who doesn't want to save some money, am I right? Let's get into it, shall we? Let's go. The first item we have is this tank top. I do have it rolled up a little bit as you can see. I think I'm gonna actually end up cutting it into a crop top because this is a small and look how big it is on me, guys. I could just basically wear it as a dress. I mean, I don't know. Should I cut it into a crop or should I wear it as a dress? Actually, hold on. Let me take these shorts off and see how cute it looks as a dress. That's the best part about oversized stuff, man. You can just turn everything into a dress. Oh, actually, that's so cute. Maybe I won't cut it. It looks like a cute little dress, doesn't it? Cute little summer dress. Actually, probably we'll just leave it. Make it a dress. Look at that. And it's super cute, super comfy. It's like the wife beater material, but I made it a dress because I'm innovative. Innovative swole. You can either wear it as a dress, just like me, if you want to get like me, kids. Or you could always cut it into a crop top if you wanted to do that kind of thing. Or if you don't want to do either of those options, you can roll it. Let me show you what I mean. Yes, I am changing right in front of my neighbors, so hopefully they're being respectful and not looking through my window. You could also roll it like this, tie it up in the back, like so, and wear it with some shorts. Which brings me to my next item, the compression shorts. I'm super stoked on these because they're comfy, they're cute, they fit well. Look at the fit. Look at that. And these are size small. By the way, everything for me is a size small, if you guys were wondering about the sizing. So this is also a cute little look, and the shorts have the drawstring right here, so you can make them even tighter if you want. Rawgear. I like that. And it has like, if you put your finger over it and like feel it, it feels nice. That's what she said. And then it's got pockets. Look at it. Guys, these shorts are the shorts. Like, these are the shorts. And also I got them in like 4 different colors, so let me show you all of the different colors. Let's do a transition, shall we? And here we have these same shorts, but in a teal bluish color. And I love them. I think they're such a cute color. They match with like pretty much anything, you feel me? And I forgot to add one special little detail. There's a zipper on this pocket. Not in this pocket, but on this pocket, there's a zipper. So that's kind of nice to have. And they also have them in yellow, so I'll show you the yellow. And here we have the yellow. Isn't this such a fun color? Dude, I love it. It reminds me of summer, and summer, well, some may argue that summer is already here. Or for some, it may be right around the corner, but look how cute these are. I love the colors. So cute. So freaking cute. I feel like a little bumblebee. This is actually really cute with the black top. I love it. And last but not least, we have them in this gray color. I don't know what else to say. I've said pretty much everything, but here is the same pair of shorts in gray. So, gray is a nice color because I feel like just like black, it matches pretty much everything. Yeah. Go copy some of these shorts for the summertime, baby. Hey, let's go. Next up, we have these joggers, and you guys, I love these joggers because the material is perfect for the summertime because it's a very cool material. If you hear it, it's like that swishy material, so it's just, it's so comfy and like doesn't make you sweat like a mofo. Of course, I don't sweat because I'm immortal, but you know, if I did. So right here it says run with us or run from us. If you've ever worked out a zoo culture, it says that on the wall, so like I really like that. I think it's a cute little detail. I like this right here. It's got the draws. I always say jawstring, bro. Every single haul. Go back and watch my other hauls. I always say jawstring. Drawstring. One day I'll get it. And then the back is cute. Super cute. Look at the back. Nice little details. And I like this color. I like that it has the emblem right here, and it's like a reflective material. Oh, and at the bottom it's nice because it has this little like scrunchy thing, so the pants will fit around your ankle like tights. So yeah, I like that little detail. I'm a very detail-oriented human being, so I like that stuff. But yeah, and then also if they're too big for you, if they happen to be too big, you could roll them like that. A little bit more snug, snuggly wuggly. Yeah, these are super cute, and I got them, of course, in multiple colors because I love them. So let me show you the other colors. Here we have the same exact pair, but in this really cute white / grayish color. And I really like this color because I feel like it looks very classy. Like I should be sipping some scotch or something. I don't know. But I like this color a lot. And yeah, same as the last ones. Run with us or run for us. I mean, from us. They cute. They're so comfy, man. They're one of the comfiest pairs of joggers I have ever owned in my life. So I love them. You need them. You need them in your life. Next up, we have these joggers. Oh my god, you guys, I'm really excited about these ones. I freaking love these ones. I freaking love, oh my god, look at them. They are so cute. There's so much to discuss. Okay, we have this little pocket, this pocket with the zip, and it has the Rawgear emblem logo on the zipper, which, love it. And then we have the pocket right here that says Rawgear, and you can unzip it. You can put like your tater tots or whatever you want in there. And then you can have this pocket with your Pop-Tarts. That was the first thing that came to my mind. And then once again, it has the Rawgear emblem. I'm sorry, I know I'm so far away. I wish I could show you closer, but it's kind of hard. See it? Okay, and then we have the pockets in the back with the Velcro. Dude, this is so cute. They are so cute. And they're really comfy. And see, I actually have them rolled. They have the draw. I said it again. Oh god, I'm never gonna not say that. They have the drawstring. This is them unrolled. And they have the emblem right here. So, oh my god, so much to discuss. These are probably, actually, these might have moved up past those last pair that I just showed you. These, I think, are my favorite Rawgear joggers of all time. I love them. I love them. And they're super comfy. They're not too tight. But then if you want them tighter, you just adjust it like this. You roll these. And see? Now they're just a little bit tighter. And once again, love this color. This like cream white, classy looking color. This is so cute. I kind of feel like, what's that movie with that girl, Laura Croft? I kind of feel like Laura Croft in this outfit. So cute. I love it. And luckily, I got them in more colors, so let me show you the other colors. And here is the same ones, but in black. Guys, I'm seriously so excited about these joggers. I freaking love these ones. Oh my god. They're just so, like, they're so cute and unique, man. They're so unique. I love them. I'm having a good time. This is fun. Once again, if you want to roll them, you just roll them, you know? Just like that. And then they become a little bit tighter. So yeah. Oh my god, you guys, I love these ones. I'm sorry, I'm just so excited. I'm not sorry. Why should I apologize for being excited, right? You have to go get these. If you get anything from this drop, this is the thing to get. With the little butt pockets. The pockets. Okay, so these joggers are also super fun, bro. Super fun, lots of details. This is why I love Rawgear, because everything is so detailed and unique. Alright, so we have this oh my god, I'm just gonna roll with it, jawstring. We have this jawstring, and it's fun. It's a lot different than the others. You see it has this little, I don't know if you can see that, it has this little pulley thing. So you can pull it, you can tie it. Yay, that looks cute, right? Yes, it has the drawstring. I said it right, go me. And then it has the zipper pockets. Both pockets have the zipper on these joggers. And then it has this cute little buckle thing. I don't know what it's for, but it's cute. And then we have the back pockets, and we have this little loop thingy. So yes, just like lots of fun. Like, these are just so fun. I love them. And then we have the stitched Rawgear emblem on the back here, which is very nice touch. Oh, and we have another Rawgear little sticker. Oh, and that's like nice to touch. I like it. So yes, these are so cute. Oh my god, these are so fun. Everything is so fun. I love it. And we also have them in red. So here we have the red. It's like, I don't know, what would you consider this? Red, burgundy? It's like an off red, but I really like this color as well. I think it's fun. I don't see that many clothes in this color, so I really like it. It's just different, you know? So yeah, super cute. Here is the last little item for today's haul. We have this last pair of joggers. Once again, super fun. It's got the swishy material that you know I love. So we have a Velcro no wait, it's not Velcro. We have this little button pocket. Oh, that's so cute. It's little buttons, bro. And then we have the drawstring, once again. Oh my god, I'm learning how to say it. And then we have the zip pockets on this side with the little Rawgear thingy right there. And then we have a little pocket in the back. And They're super comfy, super fun, they're so cute. I love them. This has probably been my favorite Rawgear haul that I've ever done. I'm super stoked on like every single item that I've talked about today. You guys definitely gotta go copy some of this because this shit slaps, baby. I haven't said that in a while, but seriously, this shit slaps. And if you do, you know what discount code to use. Mama Swole. Save yourself some money, and it really helps support me. Like seriously, nothing means more to me in the entire world than when somebody uses my code. So if you guys use my code, A, please let me know so I can thank you and give you a virtual hug and perhaps a virtual kiss. B, I love you. Go to rawgear.com, the link is below, guys, if you guys want to go check any of this out, which I know you do because it is just so freaking dope. I love it. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a like, subscribe to join the Swole Squad, comment below your favorite item from this haul. If you would like to support me on Patreon for just $2 a month, the link is in the description. Shout out to all my patrons. I love you guys so much. If you'd like to support me on Venmo, Cash App, or PayPal, link is also in the description. I also have merch, and I have workout programs on mamaswole.com, so make sure you go check all that out. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a good ass day.
How to get my weight up, yeah. Weight in the cake up, yeah. Turn up in the gym, know I'm calling Mama Swole. Bad little shawty and you know I'm on a roll.
Press like an empress, no one to impress with. Find me on the guest list. Got that Louis V necklace. Subscribe to the Mama Swole channel. Even if your name is random. Got it lit like a candle. Catch me swerving in the Lambo.